Dayosiisi ya Kasese niyo kwija kwebembero mby'enshoma aha kiro ky'abajurizi kirabihebero bishatu byo kwamuka 2026 hari na mugongo kandi okurugera ha Reverend Father Marco Bwambare orukuraba kwaya barukuza kweshongora izobe eriyo barimu nibetereza barukwega no kwemanyiza ibyeshongore barayishongore
So we are here doing practice, and as I can assure you, as I speak now, we have covered all the songs that we need to learn as far as preparation is concerned, learning. Now we are spicing the songs, we are we are working on voice production, and today we brought in some external trainers to help in that.
Reverend Father Bwambare yayongera yadirango ibyeshongore biri kurenga muri ganankaga nibyo barimu nibegezamu kandi nibyo barayishongora ha kiro cy'ukuri ekyo.
We have more than 160 songs. Why? Because the choirs have been seeing, the choir sits on the very day, sits at 5 a.m. in the morning. So the procession will begin at 9:30. So from that time interval from 5:30 to 9:30, the choir has to be prepared enough.
Nagirango abandi beshongo zo ku rw'umuyangari ya Kongo hamwe na Germany nabo nibija kubegitaho mu kwishongoro ku
Kasese, we are brothers with our brothers in Temple Beni Dayosiisi. We are neighbors and we speak the same language. And many of them will come as pilgrims. So we have also asked some of them to join us in the choir. They will come and be in the background with us and participate such that they should feel like we are brothers.
Rosette Charugonza omumu beshongoze nagirango bashimirirwa munonga okugirango naija kwishongora kiro cy'ukuri eki.
Nyehura kurungi muno hura nkomerwe mu Dayosiisi ya Kasese ndi kwabo abakugenda kuzina na mugongo 2026 3rd June.
So ndabutse mabona na kutsebu ne cyasi kinene abatobe nabo bande nabo imana bayima se baruho babiritinda tura hanu habage okogwa kabiri ubu. So ndabishamuna na kutsebu nalanga tukayagenda na mugongo okogwa kabiri.
In Mugongo, through the choir we are going to see different we are going to show our culture. We have different instruments we use in our church. Like in Galabio, we have drums, we have endara.
Dayosiisi ya Kasese eruka kwembera kiro cy'abajurizi ari na mugongo mu mwaka 2025 gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.